Okay, so it is a very valid question, and this is a very common question that has been asked by most of the students. And when they enter the coaching, then this is the first time question or the first question they try to ask you. So, what is the time and what is the amount of the time that I can take to master English language totally? And how much time do I take to learn and to command to master English language? And what is the actual time to be the fluent into English language? This is a very frequent question that has been asked by most of the students, that what is actual time frame, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, or more than 1 year, 2 year, 3 year? What is actually time to learn English language? You know what? There's so many people, so many books have been written, and so many different institutions and centers are replying the question that I have asked, and this is not genuinely my question. The most of the question are asking such kind of the questions. So when you ask this question to the Google, and when you go to the market and you want to purchase any spoken English fluency book, then also the book claims that the book can teach you within 3 months. Some institutions claim that I can teach you English language within 4 months, 6 months, some say more than 1 year. And different coaching have the different period of time to teach you, to make you the fluent in English language. So if you'll ask a question to me that how much time will I take to master English language, then first of all, I'm not going to answer it. Because nowadays in the market, on the name of the fluency, so many scams are being happening. So many scams are there in the market on the name of the fluency. So many institutions are claiming that I can make you fluent English speaker within 3 months. But I would say that please do not get trapped in such kind of the the claim or such kind of the statement or the sentences. First of all, evaluate logically, evaluate reasonably what really time is demanding English language, and how much time do you need to become the fluent English speaker. Uh, According to my perspective, first of all, you need to know what is your level of learning English language. There are three levels. The one level is a basic, is a beginner, is also called, and the second level is the intermediate level. In the beginning level, the learner have no any idea about the grammar, have no any idea of the translation, and have no any idea of the grammatical structure or the model words or anything else which is very much required in speaking classes. And when next comes as an intermediate class. So what is intermediate class or the intermediate level? In the intermediate level, the student know a basic, really little foundation of English grammar, or he or she knows something about the translation, and he and she knows something about the basic structure of English grammar, as so many model words. So this is the second stage of learning English language. The third and last is that advanced. In this stage, the student come, and the condition and the situation of the student is that he knows English grammar advanced. He have just learned all the chapters, all the model verbs, but the problem is that the lack of the practice, he is not able to speak and he is not getting the fluency. So he just only want to focus on the communication.